If you're using tools like Jungle Scout, Nepeto, or SourceMogul for your Amazon arbitrage business, you're probably spending too much time on manual research and missing profitable opportunities that your competitors find first. Seller 365 gives you powerful product sourcing across 1,400 plus retailers, advanced filtering and analytics, automated scanning capabilities, plus messaging automation, inventory management, repricing, reimbursements, profit tracking, and listing to shipping tools, all under one subscription. Switching to Tactical Arbitrage isn't just replacing your current sourcing tool. It's moving to a modern, automated solution that revolutionizes how you find profitable products. Scan across 1,400 plus retailers simultaneously to uncover hidden arbitrage opportunities competitors miss. Automated scanning and filtering eliminate the tedious work of checking products one by one. Process thousands of products in minutes, not hours. Advanced IP alerts, hazmat warnings, and restricted product filters protect your account from policy violations before you buy. Bulk scanning capabilities and automated workflows let you identify profitable opportunities around the clock without constant monitoring. Real-time pricing updates, sales rank tracking, and comprehensive profit calculations give you the edge over manual researchers. Instant notifications when profitable opportunities appear across your monitored retailers through the Always Be Scanning feature. With the Seller 365 bundle, you also get messaging automation, inventory management, repricing, reimbursements, profit tracking, and listing and prep shipping tools, all bundled together for maximum efficiency. Other platforms cover pieces of this, but not the full picture. Jungle Scout provides basic profit calculations for private label research, but it lacks multi-retailer scanning capabilities and arbitrage-specific filtering systems that serious arbitrage sellers need. Nepeto offers limited retail coverage of 50 plus versus our 1,400 plus and basic filtering options, but lacks the advanced automation features and IP alert systems that protect your account from violations. SourceMogul provides manual sourcing capabilities across 100 plus retailers, but it requires extensive manual work and lacks automated bulk scanning, scheduled scans, and the comprehensive workflow optimization that Tactical Arbitrage delivers. None of these competitors offer the complete business management suite that comes with Seller 365. Messaging automation, inventory management, repricing, and profit tracking all in one subscription. Making the switch is simple. Sign up for Seller 365 at 3colts.com/seller-365. Access Tactical Arbitrage from your Seller 365 dashboard. Set up your preferred retailers and scan parameters, 1,400 plus retailers available. Configure custom filters based on your sourcing criteria, ROI, sales rank, competition levels, IP restrictions, hazmat status, and more. Run test scans to verify your settings. Set up automated scans and alert preferences to maintain your sourcing pipeline. Cancel your old subscription once verified. Best practice, start with familiar categories. Begin scanning product types you know well to verify accuracy. Then, expand your sourcing reach with automation. And you won't be switching alone. We provide live customer coaching classes with Q&A sessions led by product experts, 3 Colts University with online courses, video walkthroughs, and interactive guides, a full help center with step-by-step resources and tutorials, in-depth YouTube product walkthroughs showing advanced sourcing strategies, dedicated customer support for account-specific issues and personalized help. These resources make it so that you can hit the ground running from day one and discover advanced features you didn't have before. Ready to supercharge your business? You deserve a sourcing solution that's comprehensive, automated, and cost-effective. With Tactical Arbitrage and the Seller 365 bundle, you get exactly that and much more. One login, one bill, 10 tools, starting at $69 a month.